Mi vagyunk a
We are Color Control Systems Ltd, and we create quality control systems for offset and Flexo printing presses that they can use to ensure the quality of colors and the content of their prints. We are engineers, we are developers, we are programmers, we are educators as well. We are also researchers. The most common solutions we offer are quality management during print production, mostly related to ensuring the accuracy of colors, comparing color corrections, graphical inspection of characters, barcodes, and QR codes. We have been contracted to fulfill a number of custom services in the past. Because we have the capability to develop in-house solutions that we can later manufacture with our own tools, such as CNC and milling machines, and even 3D printers. We're based in Hungary, but we have installed our systems in various foreign locations, in about a dozen other countries, overseas in the US and in Asia as well. A very important aspect of our products is that they are intended to be essential units of a larger printing press line, working together with printing machines made to last for a longer time, 15 to 20, 30 years even. So our products are also built to last. Our systems are designed to be independent of printer type and printer manufacturer. You can use our instruments with any platform. Since most of these systems are installed thousands of kilometers away, it is fundamental that we offer remote management solutions. We work together with companies in other specialized industries such as security printing, holographic prints, automotive industry, cosmetic industry, food industry. There are many different needs that our technology can solve. Most recently, with our new project called Big Boy, we started moving further, and along with our custom solutions, we're showcasing our standardized tools made in large quantities. We plan to sell and install these in greater numbers globally. One of the advantages of large-scale manufacturing is that we get more feedback from our business partners, so we can align all our future developments to these customer needs.